I don't know. Who knew people was like... What is that?
Dude, that's a great...
I think that's my watermelon that broke off.
That's an L right there.
Will, you see this?
Yeah.
That's like a Tetris block.
Yeah, it is like a dead top.
That was gross. He just like lapped up my arm with that piece of watermelon.
Ew.
It's
Feels like a
Zoidberg, TK.
tongue.
Oh man. Are there more weird pieces? There's another Tetris piece. TK, you need to French kiss this watermelon.
It did feel like a tongue.
That's horrible.
sound you're
Take this
making.
piece now. I'll switch video.
Willie, it actually did feel like someone was licking me.
That's gross. Shoot. Look, it's perfect.
3D Tetris.
Did I win the game of Tetris?
Oh my gosh. Katie, did you see that?
Josh, what's going on?
Well, this here is the newest member of the Shamma team. His name is Samson. And Samson is an 8-week-old Rhodesian Ridgeback puppy. And we just got him, my family, we just got him this last weekend, on Memorial Day weekend. And a little bit of backstory is that we haven't had a dog for a little over a year, maybe a year and a few months. We had to put my dog Jonah down, and Jonah was 15 years old, and Jenny and I, my wife, we got him just like a couple months after we got married, and so I was 25 at the time, and when we put him down 15 years later, you know, I'm 40 and my wife Jenny is she's like 36, and we're like in middle age. We have 4 kids, and when we looked at pictures of when we got him, and we were, you know, like babies, just in our early 20s. Anyway, so it was really sad putting him down, and Jonah was really a part of the workshop, part of the team. We even had salty calf Thursdays, so he would come in, and Jonah had this habit of like licking everyone's calf if you wore shorts, and he would just be in here hanging out, and he'd come by and see everyone. And he was also a big part of Shamma because he was I'm so sorry. It's a serious video that I wrote down. Oh, sorry. That's all right. Get my workout in. TK is like, oh no. I'm okay. Did you record that? Oh, good. I don't know what just happened.
Oh my god.
I'm drunk on watermelon, guys. I think the watermelon refreshed everyone.
Oh my goodness.
In any case, Jonah was definitely part of the team, and he was also part of like me running, and he was my running buddy for years, and he got too old to run, and so I really haven't had a dog as a running partner in maybe 4 or 5 years now. So in any case, this little guy, we just got him over the weekend, Memorial Day, and we'd been telling our girls, and we really couldn't find a breeder with a puppy, a Ridgeback like we wanted, and our next chance was going to be in November, and here it is, it's June, and it was May then, and a breeder called us out of the blue, and somebody backed out, so here we hadn't a chance to get a puppy. We told the girls, we're just going on a little road trip for Memorial Day weekend, and it was a really short trip. We went all the way to San Diego, which is like a 7 or 8 hour drive, and we surprised them. We showed up at the breeder's house, and we're like, oh look, we want to talk to this person. They're like, what are we doing here? Lo and behold, there were puppies. Anyways, this is the one we got, and I'm really excited about him. He's super cute. I think that his cuteness is self-evident. Love the ears and the low coat, so hopefully he won't.
The big paws.
Big paws. Look at those paws. And this guy is a cuddler. Oh, and look at the ridge. See? Isn't that cool? So they have a this is like from a native dog when they were establishing the breed. I think it's called a Hottentot dog, and it was just some local dog in Rhodesia, and they bred them with Mastiffs and Great Danes and Greyhounds, I've heard, and this is what you get. Anyways, he's a cute little guy, and he's really friendly, and he loves to snuggle. So, anyways, we have a new buddy for the workshop, and I got a new trail running partner, which I'm really excited about. Anyways. Go get her.
You need to put one of those Shamma things on his collar or something.
I know. I definitely want to do that. I want to make him a Shamma collar. Would be pretty rad.
Achilles heel armor.
He's selling like Shamma. I hope you enjoyed the puppy cuteness and TK and Willie being crazy. That's it from the workshop today. Happy trails.